In front of me is VIVO V50 Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can add a password to Google Passwords Manager. Begin by opening Devices Settings and scrolling all the way down to click on Users and Accounts. Then choose this icon next to Google. Make sure that Google is set up as preferred service, and if it's not, click on it and hit change in the pop-up. Then go back and click on Google on the left. Now select Google Password Manager and tap on Add Password at the top. If you can't see any of those options, that means that you never added a password before. To make them visible, you need at least one, so to fix it, log in to any app and wait for the pop-up to show up. If you never even opened Google Password Manager, you can tap on Settings at the bottom right corner, just to make sure that Offer to Save Passwords option is on. Then log in. And finally, when you see this pop-up, select Continue at the bottom right corner. Then go back to the same settings. And with all of those options visible, use Add Password option at the top. Then you can type in whatever you want to over here to add any website, or click on Select App and tap on a chosen one. Then enter your username, email or phone number, password, and even take some helpful notes. When you finish, hit Save at the top right corner. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!